I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by clarifying the purpose and constraints. Add size, format, deadline, and budget. Once done, collect brand assets, logo, color codes, fonts, and 2-3 headline drafts so the maker can work immediately. Next, decide if you want a template-based banner or a custom design. That choice dictates the platform or freelancer you search for. Make sure to prioritize required file types and responsive considerations. This avoids back and forth later and speeds the hiring or creation process. Now you search with intent. Filter marketplaces and design platforms by banner experience and delivery speed. Once you have candidates, evaluate portfolios for similar sizes and industries so you can predict quality. Ask for turnaround time, revision limits, and exact files you'll receive. This clarifies value. Request a quick mock-up or concept sketch to test direction before committing. If using templates, inspect responsive previews. If hiring, confirm ownership rights and final file formats to avoid future issues. Finish by approving the mock-up and requesting all deliverables, source files, exports in required sizes, and a usage license. Once delivered, test banners across your target platforms and devices to confirm legibility, alignment, and file weight. If something's off, first check formats and color profiles. Conversion to RGB or wrong DPI often breaks display. If scaling artifacts appear, ask for vector exports or higher resolution assets. Finally, schedule a quick revision window so you can fix any live issues before full rollout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.